Hey guys, today I'm going to be making my first video, and I decided, since it's my first video, why not do a bike check? So, let's go ahead and get started. Now, I know my bike isn't perfect, and that's actually how I like it. But, I've got Fit bike seat. It's not very padded, but it's not just plastic, so I think that's perfect. I've got a premium frame. I've got a premium frame, and I've got a profile racing cranks. I've got Shadow Conspiracy chain. Actually, I don't know what wheels these are. These just came on the bike. It's kind of mixed. This one's chrome, and it's a different style wheel I've never seen before. And then the front wheel is gold, but on the back I've got a Primo Pro hub. And I don't know what I did. I tried to make it louder, and it really just kind of went backwards. It made it quieter. So I'm gonna be taking that to a bike shop and see if they can fix it for me. Cause I'm gonna see if, the louder it is, the better. Got Flybike's purple peg on this, or purple pedal on this side. On the other side, I've got Black Hero pedal. And I really kind of like the Thermalite pedals because they're really nice, and they're really hard to really mess up. But then I've got my lizard skin grips, and they're really nice. I would highly recommend them because they're lock-on grips. And actually, it took me about 6 months to wear these down to where they are now. And when they rub really bad. But they are really soft and grippy. But I highly recommend them, and they're really grippy. But the bar ends are the only thing that suck, because they're, that cheap kind of plastic. And they really don't stick in very well. All you have to do is twist them, and they pop out. And actually I had to put, electrical tape on mine, so they'd stay in. But, yeah, they actually go in really easily, though. It's all the way in there now. And, but my stem is a Flybike stem. I don't know exactly what stem, but I like it. And I, put the skull sticker on there, because why not? I got it for free with Dan's. So, I've got my Flybike stem. I don't really know what it is, but I like it because it's white, and I put the sticker on there because, it's free. Then I've got my Fit FAF tire in the front, and my Duo brand tire in the back. I don't really know exactly what specific brand that is, but whoever put it on my bike put it on backwards, and I've just been too lazy to change it. And I'm going to be ordering some Vans tires soon, but then I've got my favorite part of this entire bike. And you're going to be able to tell I really like skulls. I've got my Skull Dancecomp sticker and my other skull sticker I got from Dancecomp. Then I've got my valve caps. I highly recommend the Trick Tops valve caps. Not just because they're stylish, just because they don't seem to come off as easily as other valve caps do. And yeah, so I've got a Cane Creek Creek headset, and I don't really like it very much. It just came with the bike, but it's not bad, but I wouldn't recommend it because the bottom piece broke, and so my bearing kept slipping down on my fork. But I'm going to be getting a new fork soon anyway, and a Stranger stem. And I really like Stranger, Shadow Conspiracy, Sabrosa, Cult, and Stranger, yeah. Those are all my favorite brands. The best brands start with S. And then, you know, there's Cult. They're not very... I mean, I like Cult, but they're not the best. But the one thing I do really like that they have is the Vans tires and the Vans grips. And I'm going to be getting some of those soon, because these are wearing down fast. So, remember to like, favorite, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.